Hello, citizens of Death Battle City. There is going to be tiny people. We've already told you about all these people. So, it's time for a Death Battle! Small version. Sonic.
Interview.
Sonic. And Knuckles. And
Tails.
3, 2, 1. Death Battle time! You won't be able to beat both of us because you're here by yourself.
Aha! Ow! Ouch! You may think that. But I have a partner too. His name is Shadow. Shadow interview. Get out of here. Shadow and interfere Sonic or whatever are full of Sonic and is always bad, and he's on his motorcycle even though we told you about Shadow. Okay, let's go. Get on the death battle.
I'm gonna kill you. Okay, let's just make this quick and I'm just gonna feed you. Well, now you're dead. No, you killed Knuckles. I can't believe you just killed Knuckles.
Ow!
Right in his dingling. Okay, so see you on the next death battle.
Death battle 15. Thank you.